Just go and directly tell him, no? Why do you have to just make all the drama? Dude, I like you. From there you have to stare him. Please don't do that. You're all that are bullshit. Go approach him and tell, baby, I really like you. If you're interested in me, just tell me. Otherwise, go to hell.
So this question goes for girls. Have you ever hit on a guy?
No.
No. Actually, one in my college, I think.
Okay, and what was the reason?
He looks like Harry Potter. That's why. He was too cute. Too cute. My God.
Okay.
Yes, most of the time from school. I started from 8th standard, I guess. Yeah, 8th standard.
Okay.
8th standard was my first crush, and I started hitting on a guy.
So have you ever hit on a guy?
No.
No. Okay.
No.
Okay.
Very embarrassing. It was like indirect. Who never like others didn't know that. I was doing it all by myself. It's like, and the craziest part was we had this groups where we had a science group, social group, and all. I chose social group, and he was in science group. I wanted science group because he was there. So I went. I begged my teachers, no, I want science group.
Okay.
So, but he knew I was hitting on him.
How do you let a guy know that you are interested in him?
Just go and directly tell him, no? Why do you have to just make all the drama? Dude, I like you. From there you have to stare him. Please don't do that. You're all that are bullshit. Go approach him and tell, baby, I really like you. If you're interested in me, just tell me. Otherwise, go to hell.
So this is the answer of being bindas. She's not being bindas.
Never tried.
By telling them. Never tried? Mine.
Just by telling them.
Okay, then if you are interested. Okay, you are interested, you will tell him directly.
Yeah. Okay, Shara type that. Okay, I like you.
That's all just in movies, not in real life.
It does not have to us.
Okay, you are interested in him.
Kaveri.
I don't know. Yeah, just stare back at him.
How do you know when a girl is interested in you? You can answer that.
How do I know when a girl is interested? Quite a tough one. She'll play with her hair. Now he's more interested.
Okay, that means you notice girls so much.
Yes. That's very good. God se dekhi. Yasin had a girlfriend till today. Arvind.
Yeah, but I mean,
1% wrong question.
Do you notice girls?
yeah,
A lot.
lot.
Yes.
Lot in this lots.
Yeah. Lots.
Okay, so how do you know when a girl is interested in you?
Yeah. Most chances are that we know before he knows.
Come on, tell him. Speak for it.
Yeah.
This kind of tough question.
Any signs which you have noticed?
They look back at you, like while they're going, they'll be keep on looking at you.
Okay, जाते जाते ठुमक करके.
That goes on with the time. Because I haven't tried actually. Because since engineering, quite tough. You need to focus on both. So
Engineering पढ़ते दिमाग इतना खराब हो जाता है कि.
It's very bad, you know.
Okay, that is all our engineers.
All our engineers, upcoming engineers. It's quite a sad life. Don't take engineering.
If you really like a guy, you can directly go and tell him that you like him. तो अगर मैं पसंद करती हूँ, जाओ बोल दो डायरेक्टली उसको, एक्सेप्ट करना है नहीं करना वो उसकी गलती है.
Okay, उसकी गलती है, ठीक है भाई. अगर उसने मना कर दिया तो क्या करोगे?
Okay, I'll tell him you don't deserve me then.
On the face.
Yeah, on the face.
Okay,
Because I wouldn't lose someone. I lost someone who don't love me.
Okay.
He lost someone who loves him. So that's his mistake.
Yeah, she's right. Have you ever asked a guy out?
Yeah, once. And even he was like, baby, even I'm interested in you. It's like next day break up.
How do you know when a girl is interested? Right?
See, now as she is telling, इशारा दे देती है तो पता पड़ जाता है.
वो लड़की यहाँ से भाग गई. वो लड़की यहाँ से भाग गई क्यों?
भाग गई विद्या.
उसे इशारा नहीं मिला.
इशारा नहीं मिला. एग्जैक्टली. इशारा मिलना जरूरी है. एग्जैक्टली. तभी हम लोग को एग्जैक्टली. और अगर नहीं भी इशारा मिले तो यू नो जैसे कहते हैं कि लाइन मार रहे हैं. नहीं, लाइन मार नहीं रहा, लाइन दे रहे हैं.
Okay, so how do you let go?
We wait for the ishara.
Have you ever asked a guy out?
No, I don't think so.
Liar.
I didn't.
झूठी. Liar. झूठी.
I didn't ask him out. Okay.
Yeah.
पूछा नहीं है कभी भी. क्या? Okay, fine. Have you ever asked?
No.
No one.
No.
पूछे नहीं है कभी भी. आज आता है. No. Have any advice for the women who are single?
Be single. Be single.
That's
have many crushes you can have, you know. Because being in relationship, it sucks. Being single rocks. You can hit on as many as guy can. Okay. No commitment, nothing.
Yeah, I just want to say, hit on a guy who's interested in you, not a guy whom you are interested in. Then that'll be that'll get over very soon. But try on a guy who is interested. That would be like never ending. Yeah.
But single.
Stay single.
Try to mingle. Try to mingle. Try to mingle.
No boyfriend, no problem. Okay.
Being single is awesome. I mean, you don't have to compromise anything. You'll never have to adjust. Sometimes, you know, when you're single, you'll feel like, you know, if you have a boyfriend or if you have a boyfriend, everything will change.
In short, it is like head pain.
I wouldn't say having someone is a head pain. You know, you can always, you have someone to depend upon all the time. But just for that, you don't have to date anybody. Being single is again awesome. It's just awesome.
Don't be single.
Okay, don't be single. Everyone come to me.
Please let us know that
Okay.
you're single in a way.
Single,
Yeah,
please
please. My name is Beep Beep, and you can contact me. My number is beep 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 505.
My name is Ayush Tripathi. Number is 990-2129-220. And I love mountaineering, so if you're looking for adventure, contact me.
Contact him. Okay, what is yours? Same. Contact me.
Not contact me. I'm already trying on someone else, so don't contact me.
Guys, thank you for watching our video. Please do like, share and comment and subscribe to our video.